Hey, what's up guys? I'm Brandon Allen, and today we're here at the North Pointe Condominium Homeowners Association in Appleton, Wisconsin, kicking off a big project. We're starting today on a 2,200 square roof replacement. We've got 50 buildings, and we've got about 10 roofing crews out here with all hands on deck. We're gonna knock this project out in 4 days. And so this is the beginning of it. It's Wednesday morning at 7 a.m. and things are kicking off. So stick with us, we're gonna have a lot of fun.
Before all of this started, I want to kind of share with you guys how we got to this point. One of our field reps stopped by. We met with the board a week or two later. We told them the value that we could bring to the table. We told them, what needed to happen to ensure a fair settlement up front, and they took our advice. And we just stressed how important it was to have us present during the first insurance adjuster meeting. So maybe a month or two after that board meeting with the association, we meet the insurance adjuster out here, and everything was approved. They knew that we weren't going to back down. They knew that whether they approved it or denied it, we had the process in place to provide the documentation, damage report, building code, specific material information on the project. So they ended up approving everything. And here we are, no 3-year-long litigation battle with attorneys, no public adjusters, just a clean claim, just like a residential claim.
Well, it's going much faster and much better than I thought it would. I thought it would kind of move along a little bit more of a snail's pace, but it's really moving along. Everything looks good.
You get so good, I can't believe it.
Better experience for the association and all the owners here, better experience for the property management company. So please, if there's an opportunity for us to get involved, give us a call. We want to help.